Imagine transforming your daily teamwork with tools that make collaboration effortless. Today, you'll learn how to harness the power of OneNote, Whiteboard, and Loop components in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, spot the left-hand navigation pane. Here, you'll find the options for Teams, Chat, Calendar, and more. The first tool we'll explore is OneNote. To use OneNote, begin by clicking the plus tab at the top of any team or channel. Select OneNote from the list of apps. Choose an existing notebook or create a new one for your group. You can add notes, jot ideas, and share pages instantly. OneNote is perfect for keeping meeting minutes, tracking tasks, and sharing information in real time. Next up, Whiteboard. Want to brainstorm with your team visually? During a meeting or chat, click the Whiteboard icon. A blank canvas opens, ready for sketches or sticky notes. You can draw, type, and invite colleagues to add their ideas. Whiteboard lets everyone contribute, whether you're remote or in the office. Finally, Loop components. These are real-time elements, like lists, tables, or tasks that you can embed in Teams chats and messages. To use a Loop component, start a new message, click the Loop icon, then choose the type of component you want. Share it with your team. Everyone can edit together, and changes update instantly. With OneNote, Whiteboard, and Loop, you don't just collaborate, you connect. Each tool is designed to make teamwork smoother, faster, and more fun. Next time you join a meeting or start a project, why not try one of these features? Enhance your team's experience, empower your workflow. Collaboration has never been this easy.